The three most important things for an organisation to keep in mind when planning its horizon scanning approach and its legislative influence approach are timing, timing and timing. In today's environment, where ministers are increasingly focused on getting legislation through fast and with minimal change, you have to start long before there is any formal opportunity. And where that starts is before the wave on the horizon of change has actually begun to appear at all. You start by making sure you have good relationships with all the departments of central, local and devolved government that deal with policy areas that matter to you. Timing number 2. Today, I think a bill starts when a minister or possibly a special advisor gives a press briefing or a speech saying that the law isn't sufficient in a particular area. That's the moment that the little wave begins to appear on the horizon. So at that point, I start to build a case for how that wave should shape. The earlier I get in, the more chance there is I can say to the Minister, Minister, we support the thrust of your policy change here. We can be counted as a stakeholder who is engaged and supportive of it, provided that it does do this, this and this, or it doesn't do this, this and this. Third point of timing. I need to nuance my approach to influencing. I have to be sensitive to the stage we're at in Parliament. I have to be sensitive to the different wider synergies with political parties that I need to link up with. I have to look at their wider agendas and synergies between this policy and a completely different policy. So everything is about timing, but timing in lots of different ways. Not reactive, but proactive according to how we think we can best influence the long-term strategy and the long-term legislative development.